Hey foodies, Leo here from Rick's Review Hub. Today we're diving into the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro, a countertop powerhouse that's like having a mini restaurant kitchen at home. Want to know if this smart oven is worth the hype? Stick around and check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's get cooking. First, let's break down the features. This Breville oven is a 1,800 watt convection beast with 13 cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, proof, air fry, dehydrate, reheat, slow cook, and keep warm. It uses Element IQ with 6 quartz elements for precise, even heat, and its spacious interior fits a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, or a 14-pound turkey. The Joule app offers over 1,000 guided recipes and autopilot mode, which adjusts settings automatically. It's voice-activated with Google Assistant and Alexa, and comes with a pizza pan, 2 wire racks, a broiling rack, a roasting pan, and an air fry basket. Now the pros. This oven is a multitasker. I air-fried chicken wings to crispy perfection in under 20 minutes and baked brownies with a fudgy center and crisp edges. The super convection fan cuts cooking time by up to 30%, and the app's step-by-step recipes make complex dishes like roasted chicken a breeze even for beginners. The stainless steel finish looks sleek, and the large capacity is great for families or entertaining. At around $500, it's a solid investment for replacing multiple appliances. But there are some cons. The app's notifications can be overkill. Do I need a ping for toasting bread? You can turn them off, but it's a hassle. Toasting multiple slices can be uneven, and the glass door gets grimy fast, needing frequent cleaning. It's also bulky, taking up significant counter space, and the price is steep compared to basic toaster ovens. If you don't need air frying or app features, a simpler model might do. I recommend the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro for home cooks who love versatility and smart tech. It's perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone wanting to air fry, bake, or roast without a full-size oven. If you're tight on space or budget, consider the Breville Smart Oven Compact instead. This one's a winner for most kitchens, though. Ready to level up your cooking? Click the link in the description to grab the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro on Amazon for the best pricing and special promotions through Rick's Review Hub. Your support keeps these reviews coming. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's keep the kitchen sizzling.